Hello students, today let us study special functions, module 4 special functions. So before going with the term special functions, now let us see x square. Suppose if you have a differential equation of the form x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y equal to phi of x. This type of equations we call it as Cauchy's linear differential equation. To solve this solution, we take the standard substitution log x equal to t. Yes, now similarly, suppose if you have ax plus b the whole square, d square y by dx square plus ax plus b into dy by dx plus y equal to phi of x, this type of equations we call it as Legendre linear differential equation. To find the solution, we take the standard substitution log of ax plus b equal to t. Yes, now these are the few examples of variable coefficient differential equation. Suppose if you have a variable along with the derivative called as variable coefficient. Coefficients are variables here. Therefore, variable coefficient differential equation. So in the last semester you have studied these two differential equation. Now in this semester, that is in the topic module 4 special functions, again we are studying the same differential equation only, but those are all called as special functions. So the solution also will get in the form of series. So how to solve the problems? By using this series solution for the differential equations called Bessel's. Okay, now power series solution. There are two different types of series solution for your syllabus. One is power series solution, the another one is Frobenius series solution. Okay, this can also be called as generalized power series. The power series is nothing but y is equal to summation r equal to 0 to infinity ar into x to the power r. Similarly, y is equal to summation r equal to 0 to infinity ar x to the power k plus r, where a0 is not equal to 0. It means that these two solutions, these two, we call this is a series, infinite series. This is also an infinite series, but this series we call it as power series, and this type of series we call it as Frobenius series. Frobenius series is nothing but generalized power series. You can just observe both the equations, both are looks the same, but in the power of x we have only r, but here we have k plus r. Okay, so these two power series, these two series we are using to solve the special functions, that is called differential equations. Now suppose if you have a differential equation of the form in general p0 of x d square y by dx square plus p1 of x dy by dx plus p2 of x y equal to 0, then if p0 of x equal to 0, it means in this equation, suppose this value becomes 0, when you put x 0, then such type of differential equation, to solve such type of differential equation, we apply Frobenius series. It means we need to use this series as a solution. Suppose if p0 of x is not equal to 0, when you substitute x equal to 0 in this differential equation. This is a differential equation, okay, general differential equation, variable coefficient differential equation. In this differential equation, when you put for the first term, that is the coefficient of d square y by dx square 0, if you get 0, p0 of x equal to 0 if you get, when you substitute x 0, we call such type of series as Frobenius series. Similarly, in this first term, if you put x 0, if you get p0 of x value not equal to 0, then we apply power series, or we can assume power series as a solution for the given differential equation, for this type of differential equation. Yes, now let us move to the next examples for power series. Examples for power series, for example, power and Frobenius series. For example, suppose if you have x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus x square minus n square into y equal to 0. Here p0 of x is nothing but x square. In place of p0 of x we have x square. So when x equal to 0, when you put x 0 in this value, you will get the value of this is 0. Since we are getting 0, just now I told, suppose when you get p0 of x equal to 0, you need to apply Frobenius series. you need to assume Frobenius series as a solution. Let us recall again. If you get 0, when you substitute 0, Frobenius series. If you put a 0, okay, if you are not getting answer equal to 0, then you need to apply power series. Power series means this one, Frobenius series. Okay. Yes. Now, in this first example, since the value of P naught of x is 0, when you substitute x is 0, therefore, we need to assume Frobenius series as a solution. That is, this is the series solution. Similarly, one more example. 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus 2x into dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 y equal to 0. Here, P naught of x equal to 1 minus x square. When x equal to 0, when you substitute x 0 in this equation, you will get P naught of x equal to 1. Means this term is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1, but 1 is not equal to 0. Whenever it is not equal to 0, we need to assume power series as a solution. Okay, so when you have to apply power series and when you have to apply Frobenius series, you got through these two examples. If you have a standard equation, this is nothing but a standard equation called Bessel's differential equation. This equation we call it as Bessel's differential equation, and this series we call it as, this is Bessel's differential equation, and this series we call it as Legendre's differential equation. Legendre's differential equation. So, for your syllabus, you have to find a solution of this Bessel's differential equation and a solution for Legendre's linear differential equation. Now, let us move with the next topic called how to find a solution of Bessel's differential equation by assuming Frobenius series as a solution. Okay, I'll continue this in the next video. Thank you all.